In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Keyword Magic tool in Semrush. If you're looking to uncover thousands of keyword ideas quickly and organize them in a way that actually makes sense, the Keyword Magic tool in Semrush is a great place to start. Think of it as your brainstorming hub for search terms, whether you're building blog content, planning product pages, or just validating what your audience is really searching for. Once you're on the main dashboard of Semrush, look to the left-hand menu. Click on SEO. This opens up a set of options dedicated to improving your visibility in search. Under the Keyword Research category, you'll see an option labeled Keyword Magic Tool. Go ahead and select that to open the main workspace. Front and center, you'll notice a search field. This is where you'll type your starting keyword, sometimes called a seed keyword. You can be as broad or as specific as you like. For example, a broad seed might be loans, a general interest term could be movies, and a more specific question-style phrase might be how to buy Audible books. Each of these will produce different kinds of ideas and insights, so choose something that lines up with what you're trying to create. If you're not sure where to begin, start with a simple phrase that your audience would naturally type into a search engine. After you enter your keyword, hit search. That's the core action, and it's really all you need to do to get a rich set of data. Semrush will return a comprehensive list of related keyword variations. You'll typically see metrics like search volume, keyword difficulty, and other useful indicators that help you gauge potential. This is valuable context as you evaluate which terms might be realistic to target and which ones signal strong user interest. As you scan what appears, keep your goals in mind. Broad terms like loans can surface a huge range of ideas, which is helpful for discovering categories and themes. A general topic like movies might reveal trends, genres, and question-based queries. And a specific phrase like how to buy Audible books often reveals long-tail opportunities, which can be easier to rank for and closely aligned with user intent. That's it. By navigating to SEO, opening the Keyword Magic tool, entering a clear seed keyword, and hitting search, you've unlocked a powerful gateway to content ideas. Take a moment to review what comes up and note the terms that best match your strategy and audience.